2, 3, test. 1, 2. One, two, 1, 2. Let me see how we're gonna do this.
You guys hear me? 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is not going to be good. One, two, three. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Why is there shizzle noise? I hear a lot of sounds annoying. Noise gate. Noise. What is 1, 2, 3? Yeah, that's not good. Test. 1, 2. I'm testing out the filters here. Okay, you know what?
One, two, 1, 2.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3.
All right. How about now? How about now? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No. How about now? 1, 2. Yeah, that should be good. I need to get a mic. One, two, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, we should be fine. Yeah, we should be fine. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we should be fine. 1, 2, 3. should be fine. All right. We should be fine. Oh, that works. There we go. All right. This should be good here. Alrighty. And I gotta. All right, I think we should be good now. I think we are good to go. We are good to go. Got the Discord, got the YouTube, got the audio. I just need the battery. Wow. No battery. All right, I got the battery. All right, I got the battery. All right, let's hit a home run today. Looks like AEVA is running 7% pre. 7% pre. 7% pre. Is it? No, that's not what it. That's not it either. I should have that there first. Yeah. Did they ever fix this where we can actually have... What? Values tooltip on long press? What? Oh, okay. Well, that's new. All right. So we're going to look at everything here. We got SPY running right now. Very interesting on SPY as we speak. Having a nice little move up here on the 1 hour. Looks like market's going to have a decent day today, huh? So you would expect some sort of bearishness going into the market, but we almost crossed the positive DI on the oscillators, and the RSI was deeming below the center line on the RSI as well. Moving into the 12-hour, at least pre-market hours, you are above. You bounced off the support line trend, which is very good. Multiple touches of the support line bounce here. Multiple touches. So I guess this has something to do with recent news. It is what it is. Can't argue. I cannot argue with the trend. It's up in a bull market. T1 Energy right now at $8.01. Recapping. Velo, $18.28. Unusual Machines, 16.16, down 2% on the day. Pre-market T1 Energy wants to, right now, moving up 2%. ASTI, down 2.6%. VLN, up 4%. Lightpath, down, up 6%. OPTX, up 1.5%. Rocket Lab, down 2.2%. Moving on to equities, other equities. NGO, slow mover, but up since our entry. 8BAT. Recent news, surprised it's not running yet. Maybe post-market. Maybe during market open. We already did OPTX. Let's switch out OPTX. Actually, let's just switch out OPTX here. What am I doing? OPTX, let's put in, what's SPWH doing? Nothing. Domo. Oh, yeah, Domo was getting clapped, guys. Actually, Domo is one I want to take a look at. And ACT. Domo was getting absolutely destroyed. I mean, whoa. Gracias. I mean, whoa. Domo broke the 0.66, the 0.886. Absolutely horrid scenery here. Now, it's going to find its mean reversion here. So I'm not surprised if it has a nice little bounce up here. And if you notice price action, trying to break above and immediately getting clapped here. The bearish supply is very heavy here. So what you expect here is the price action to come back out and then continue onward and reject the center line and come right back in. And it looks like this for continuation to the downside. Alright, now obviously it just can't go down forever. That's for sure. So you look for confluences. So I see here, I see a lot of bounce area. I see a lot of area support in this little range here. So in theory, this is not a bad area where price might consolidate. I do see a lot of, I do see a support here. All right, on Domo absolutely getting collapsed here. So this does make sense to me why it's reacting here, plus aligns with 886. So confluence tells me this is where it's going to be, at least in my opinion, a great area for a bounce or consolidation phase. All right, so we'll see. So far you are seeing bullish candles here. Bullish candle, at least bulls stepping in this area. Makes sense because of the previous support bounce or support supply here. Very, very good. Plus you're deep in the bear zone. I mean, if I had to take a bet here, which I'm not, but this would be again, I don't see this coming down any further after a massive sell-off. Let it consolidate, find its mean reversion, and then maybe continue to the downside. At least for today, I suspect a little bit of bounces here. That's just my opinion, right? So, interesting. SPY continuously running up here. Let's take a look at SPY. Yep, running it. It is not shilling away. It is just up only. Up only. Up only. All right, what else do we got going on? OPTX. So OPTX keeps finding a bounce at 373. Again, speculative play. I would like to get some. I would love to dabble some of that, but you know, again, speculative. Wait for it to hit the target. Maybe, maybe not. It gets there, but we'll reassess if we have to. So SPY running. Let me check the 1 hour. Oh yeah, nice, beautiful recovery off of this support trend line. Again, there's been a consistent support. Now we're running at resistance again. How many times are we gonna get up here before the collapse? All right, or maybe not a collapse. Maybe we just continue onward, right? So there is a trend. Yeah, so there is a area where we have to kind of break out of. All right, I suspect we're going to be met with resistance again from the previous price action. 4 minutes into the opening bell. I am eating. I am having breakfast as we speak. So I'll try and do both things at the same time. Wow, SPY. Absolutely running it right now. Absolutely running it. All right, let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick. I do want to take a look at Bitcoin. Hit the 236. You are making lower highs. Oh, there's another M here. That's a 786. 786 is a Gartley with a 618. 786. Oh, wow. So Gartley is very nice one to see here. Again, Gartley, 618. 786 is your preferred ratio with a 618 here. Aligns with the confluence to the downside, 786. So let's see what happened. Lower highs. Price not breaking out. Yada, yada, yada. Come on, ABAT, let's go. Alright, 3 minutes. Whoa, 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 space. What the hell's happening? What just took a dump? What just took a dump? Guys, if there's background noise, let me know. If it's too much, let me know. I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm in the kitchen having breakfast. Let's go. All right, SPY continuously ripping. There's a lot of noise in the background, guys. I don't know if I can stream with all this stuff in the background. Yeah, this is not gonna work. It's because I'm traveling. And yeah, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna have to shut the stream. Jesus Christ. All right, I'll shut the stream.